my reunion. Walking with my son to the family mart.
From, to and from. Sa pabalik.
But now, we are going back to the hotel. We have food, but it's like we like to go out just to feel the outside world. And walking taxis here are cute, like police car. It's a stop. What is this here? That's our hotel, guys. Oh,
Like lottery.
Coco Hotel. There's a bus station few steps away. There are restaurants on this street. There's massage here, but we haven't tried. Actually, we are near a train station also, or metro station. Always angry. Asa yung 26? Break 24 hours. Oh, what does that mean?
Parking. I don't know if you wanna take a break. Rest from driving.
Okay, walking.
Macho.
Nice. To the left. There is that is where you drop the coins for the parking. Oh, it's kind of cold. Guys, it's raining here in Tokyo. That's why we bought 2 additional umbrella, and we got from one niece, and one was given by a stranger. A good, kind stranger, guys. Coco Hotel. Hala, yun. Di pala basta-basta. Yung ganyan daw. Okay. Going to our room. Press tap the card to be able to use the card. Elevator car. This is called car also. Called card or elevator. You have to tap it here, guys. Don't follow us. No, actually we were wrong the first time. We didn't know that you have to tap the card over there to be able to use the elevator. So it wasn't moving at all. So we were wondering why it's not moving until the other tourists came and helped us. And now we're back to our room 10:06. Yes, we're back. And my son will boil a water, a glass of water, a cup of water. Yung TV natin ganyan na palagi, ano?